Restoration Hardware in San Francisco, California. This place is beautiful. Are they on separate controllers?
I guess so.
Innovation security.
Yeah, I think there's an LLC.
You guys want to take that one? Want to take this one?
Sure.
Look at this cab. LL's locked. 3.
That's what the old indicator used to be.
Wow, look at this place. Tyler will be coming out that elevator in a little bit.
Actually, that one serves 4.
Oh, interesting.
It's like a rooftop thing. We can go, I think we can go down to L. We got in on 1. So,
No. Oh. Old Otis.
Otis?
Yep. They may have been modern a couple times.
Yeah. I love the detail on that vent.
Yeah, they did a good job restoring this.
I mean, it is called Restoration Hardware.
Yep. Wow. Look at that. You want to switch?
Sure. Oh, these?
Oh my god.
You like sinks?
I don't know. It's gonna fold.
Oh, look, you can kind of see. Oh, these are bottom drive.
Oh, that's a replaced door track.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like US. That looks like a US door.
I think that's just a generic door track.
I think he's on the other one.
He did the same thing we did.
Indicator's kind of delayed with the beep.
Whoa.
Wait, the other one does come up here. Oh my god, this place is gorgeous. You want to end it up here or?
Yeah, I'm gonna end up here. I'm gonna take